All right, we are back with another while loop example. So you see how all our robots have that label? So because they all have that label, they share the same information. So that while loop, that program that we created before, is still here. So if we go to another robot and put ls and see the programs we have, it's still there. So we can now run the program for all these four, and it will dig all the way there, all through there until it reaches two things, until it reaches a block that there's nothing there or it runs out of fuel. So let's do that. And while, all right. See, creating little space for us. And with a for loop or a while, okay, with a for loop, we could detect in front of us, delete for X amount, um, and then stop. Or with a while loop and adding a counter, we can have them do some more sophisticated things. So let's say we wanted them to destroy the blocks right in front of us and then go to the right and then detect if there's anything there and then destroy. We could do that. Okay, cool. They just stopped. Now let's do that. Okay. So let's put our robots right here. We're just gonna put one, and we're gonna be okay. Edit while, and we're gonna create a structure that's um, the 4 blocks by 4 blocks in an L shape. So while two, so for total dot detect equals true. That's the same as equals true. While that's true, do oh sorry, not for while, but we could also use for um, uh, turtle dot dig turtle dot forward, and then we'll get out of that if counter is greater than or equal to 4, then break. So it'll get us out of that loop, the while loop, and let's create an actual counter here equals 0. We're going to use two counters, one for forward and one for the right digging. So while loop for forward, that's a comment to keep track of what's going on a little clearer. And let's actually increase our counter. Counter equals counter plus 1, right? Let's check this code works. Okay, control save, control exit, and let's run this. So if it detects something in front of it, Oh wait, how much did we want it to go by? Okay, just 4. All right. So exit. Unexpected. So turtle not dig identifier. So what's wrong with that? Oh, while turtle dot detect, we needed to add a do here. Okay. Exit. So see, our turtle dug 4 blocks here. Now we can edit it and we can be like, okay, now we need to turn to the right, and dig 4 that way. So we could just literally copy all of this, but with a counter being a counter 2. So while, so yeah, while turtle dot detect do turtle dot dig turtle dot forward counter 2 equals +1. Oh, oh. Then if counter 2 is greater than or equal to 4, we can make it a different length. So don't worry about that. Then break. We get out of that. And let's control save, control exit, and run this. So now what it'll do is it will break again 4 blocks in front of us, and then turn right. Actually, let's delete this and let's do it over here. Remember, we pretty much copied it, so it will save the code for us. Okay. But now let's go ahead. All right, like that. So ls while 2 is saved there. So while 2 enter. Okay. There's something wrong with our code. While 2 unexpected condition expected state. So that's turn right and dig. Oh, okay. So the comment we made should have been 2 lines instead of 1. All right. That's right. Control save, control exit. Wow, let's run this. So I went 4. That one's going indefinitely. This one's going indefinitely. What's going on? Okay, so I guess we selected the wrong program over here, but this one should be turning right and then destroying more. So we made a mistake. Okay. So what do we do? Okay, we did not turn right. So first things first is we did not turn right. So turtle dot turn right. So we need to turn right, and then while that's true, let's just go with equals true here. Do the following dig, go forward, make the counter go up, and then if the counter, oh, the counter here, we did not put it correctly. So let's correct that. Now that's a 2, and so it should actually get out of that. So I think the other ones might have worked, but they went indefinitely still forward. Okay. We just also didn't turn left. Okay. Control save, control exit. Let's move this right here, put our robot right there, and then do while 2, and let's do, see? And then now we have a program that will create an L-shaped path for us and not just a straightforward path. So I hope that helps. And let me know if you have any questions, but I can try to make these little videos shorter, but the examples together might help a little bit more, but I can break it down if you need. Just let me know, okay? Bye.